Hey everyone, welcome back to Cryptaluxe YouTube channel where we make finance simple and easy to understand. Today we're diving into the basics of cryptocurrency, what it is and how it works. Let's get started. First things first, what is cryptocurrency? In simple terms, cryptocurrency is a type of digital or virtual currency that uses cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies like the US dollar or euro, cryptocurrencies are decentralized and operate on technology called blockchain. So what's a blockchain? Imagine a digital ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. Each transaction is grouped into a block, and these blocks are linked together in a chain. This chain of blocks, hence the name blockchain, is stored on many computers, making it very secure and transparent. Now let's talk about how cryptocurrency works. When you want to send cryptocurrency to someone, you use a wallet, which is a digital tool to manage your coins. You initiate a transaction, and it gets broadcasted to the cryptocurrency network. Miners, people with powerful computers, validate these transactions and add them to the blockchain. Mining is the process of validating transactions and adding them to the blockchain. Miners solve complex mathematical problems, and the first one to solve it gets to add the block to the chain and is rewarded with some cryptocurrency. This process keeps the network secure and ensures that everyone agrees on the transaction history. So why use cryptocurrency? There are a few key benefits. 1. Decentralization. No single entity controls it, making it resistant to censorship and government interference. 2. Security. Cryptographic security makes it very hard to counterfeit or double spend. 3. Transparency. All transactions are recorded on the blockchain and can be viewed by anyone. 4. Low fees. Transactions can be cheaper and faster compared to traditional banking. Some popular cryptocurrencies you might have heard of include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Each has its own unique features and uses. For example, Bitcoin is often referred to as digital gold, while Ethereum is known for its smart contracts, which are self-executing contracts with the terms directly written into code. And that's a quick overview of what cryptocurrency is and how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Cryptaluxe for more finance tips and insights. For more in-depth market insights and updates, join our Telegram channel. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.